What is up, my friends? I just want to show you the trade and why you never have to have the fear of missing out, because at any time, every day, you could pick a stock and I could show you how to build your ranges, and then once you get the reversion to the VWAP. Once again, without using the multi-day VWAP, we're just using the standard 1-minute VWAP and what I like to call the capitulation candle, okay? And it turned into the faux show bro. So right now you're looking at work, the stock that we had a really nice trade on alongside on a squeeze 2 days ago, and then it rolled over and got hammered. We had a nice short on it. And today we came in looking for some buying, and there was nobody buying. So right here is where it got back to the VWAP and tested it and started to roll. Risk reward was back in your favor, looking for it to retrace to the bottom of the range. So your entry was right around the VWAP, rolled over, made some money on the short side, right? Covered in the middle right here, right? But then we were looking, all right, this stock's been getting hammered. Maybe we could look for it for a buy, right? So let's zoom into where it didn't work. It finally stopped going down right there. It took out all the $25 players right around here. It only went down another quarter. So as it kept bottoming out, I'll zoom in on this prices right here for a second. And by the way, this trade's still in play. Hang on, I don't know how to work it on my mouse. Here we go. There it is. So let's look at these prices and zoom in. Right here is where it broke 25. And it really only went down another quarter. So I'm thinking all it did was get these guys who had their stops at 25 out of the way. And I figured, all right, you know what? These guys are going to come back all pissed off because they just got stopped out. And then boom, it popped, you know, off these levels. But it wasn't a good trade because we didn't sell any of it. And then it rolled back over and we wound up getting stopped out anyway for a flat trade. You know, bought it here. We're profitable for a second or two. Next thing you know, it rolls over. So we lost a little bit. Got out flat and lost a little bit. And then it was a great sell because look where it went to. And then I wasn't even around for this. Okay, next thing you know, I checked it, new lows. So then, when it's flirting here with 24 again, I'm sorry, we're going to break it. Broke 24 right here. And this is where I almost blew the entire day. Okay, because right here in this candle, you highlight that candle, 24.07 is your low. Look how it hit it right there. It kind of broke it, but never broke a whole number. So right here, I'm buying it at 24.07, and I'm using that 24.01 print as my out. And I'm risking basically 6 cents. I'm buying at 24.07 on the way back up. And I'm figuring if it rolls back over again at 24, I'm selling out of it because this thing could be headed down to 23.50, 22, or go to zero. I don't know. So this is the capitulation candle right there. Because they always know, right? When you're basically putting an order out there. They see your order. They know where you're willing to sell it. So you're buying it here at 24.07 and you're going to sell it at 24. Okay, let's get one candle to wipe all those stops out. So they wipe out me, 24. They wipe out the 22.99 guy. They wipe out the 23.97, 6543. And then next thing you know, the next candle, you're breaking back above where you were looking to buy it before. So within 2 minutes, I'm thinking, all right, I just got stopped out. I got stop hunted. I'm getting back in. So now we got what? We got a new range break, 24.18. I'm buying a little bit because now I'm risking again the same 24, and I'm going to use 23.93 as my out this time. So I'm putting a little bit more risk on. But now that I'm thinking, maybe this thing just bottomed out. Am I going to get the 1 minute late day reversion trade? Well, if I am, I'm talking about an entry at 24.18, risking about 22 cents. And maybe this thing reverts back up $1. So right there, risk reward's defined. I'm risking 20 cents and I think I can make $1 on the trade. Next thing you know, schliggity ding dang. Look at this chart. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And you guys know exactly how I trade. So once I'm in at 24.18, This thing's at 24.50, at 24.49. I'm selling 50% of my position already right here. And then it spikes up to 24.99. Bye-bye. At 24.99, I'm selling another 30%. So now I'm down to the I don't give a shit lot, right? And I put the I don't give a shit lot to get I don't give a shit lot at 24.49. I don't want to let it go back below the whole number. Oh, sorry, the half number. So these last 200 shares, that's the only 200 I actually held to the VWAP. And so the last 200 here at 25.18. So again, no fear of missing out. You just wait for your trade. Let the bottom pick itself. And if you feel like you've gotten stopped out on a stop hunting program, have the courage to get right back in. What was the worst case scenario? If it would have rolled over on me again, I would have taken a loss. But because this candle was so quick, it was stops. They got them out, came right back, and that's when it was. And that's why I call it the faux show bro. The faux show bro is called faking out, shaking out, and breaking out. Faux, fake out, show, shake out, bro, breakout, right? So the faux show bro. It knew we had our stops in here. So the reason it's the faux show bro is that this is the first time the fake out when it rolled back over, and then comes the shakeout. So it breaks a brand new low to give you no reason to own it anymore, and then the bro. So you got to be ready to know you just got faux show and it's about to bro. Grow your set of balls, get your courage. Worst case scenario, you're just going to lose again, but don't be faux show broed. And bang, here's 2 days worth of pay. Now I don't have to trade tomorrow in this move right here. And let me show you the other one, CRWD. Stock's getting annihilated, destroyed, same exact trade. I gave it a shot down here. I didn't take any profits because I'm an idiot, because at this point I'm thinking I'm going to make 3, 4, 5, maybe 4 points on it. And I wound up getting stopped out. I basically had a $300 profit, wound up losing maybe 50 or 60 bucks on it. And then next thing you know, I'm looking to buy it again at 65. It quickly breaks 65, but then it comes right back. And right in that moment, I'm thinking, hey, they just did the same thing to work. Let me buy it again if it breaks back over at, where was it? Back over that range again. So I got back in at 65.20. This time I'm selling it into the move at 66.20. And then again, at a whole number at 67. And now I'm out of this trade, even though it could be looking like a VWAP reversion trade. But again, I wanted to take my profits on this one just in case it got rolled on me again. So that's it. 2 amazing trades. And again, there's a few ones I didn't take. The PCG turned out to be a freaking awesome one. And then you had MIK, which was pretty damn good too. We covered it at the VWAP. Didn't get back in long, but it was a really decent trade. It's had some size on right there, whether or not you did or didn't. Our call was to short it again at 904. Look for the 879. Got the 879, and then bang. So if you're wondering, I still am wearing the wife beater. Thank you for the compliments. And I'm watching all the tutorials about OBS, and hopefully I'll get this thing to work. And then I will start broadcasting a little bit more on YouTube. Again, just to pick fights with other people. All right, have a nice day, and I'll see you in cyberspace.